Hi guys, so today we are on Course C, Lesson 6, and we are going to be programming with Laurel, and she's a treasure hunter. Now, within these puzzles, we have to be sure our algorithms are correct, which are our list of steps to finish the task. So we need to be sure she gets all the treasure. It's much like harvesting with a harvester. So within our algorithm, it's something that we're going to code into something that can be run by the machine. And programming is the art of creating a program. So as we go through, we are actually programming Laurel to do exactly what we ask her to collect all the treasure. So we're going to get started, and there's some videos within this course, and we'll work through the puzzles together. I hope you guys have fun.
You're about to get the chance to play with a new type of puzzle called the Collector. These puzzles are a lot like ones you've already seen, except for a few important changes. In each puzzle, the Collector will look for items to grab. When she gets to them, she won't be able to simply run over the items to pick them up. Instead, you will need to use the Collect block to grab each pile. Be careful. The number of items that need to be collected to pass a level will change. Sometimes you only need to collect one pile. In other puzzles, you need to collect everything. Make sure you pay attention to the instructions to find out what the rules are before you start.
All right, we're going to get started with our puzzles. And remember, if you struggle with reading, you can
Free
click this
play.
button.
This is Laurel the Adventurer. Move her around and get as much treasure as you can. Use the Collect block to pick up the treasure. Drag blocks into the workspace and try to figure out how to get treasure. Get at least one item to pass this level.
Okay, we need to move Laurel around to get the treasure. You can use as many blocks as you want because this does not have a level. So let's try it. We can move her forward and collect. So in the last lessons, they have little pictures for you. This one does not. It just has the word collect. So we need to be sure that you use collect so we can grab that. Then, remember, you can use the step-by-step button so that she can get the gems. Now, this level lets you collect only one. That's all you needed to pass. But if you feel comfortable, I would love it if you guys could get all of these. You guys could also use the repeat block. Okay, here's puzzle 2.
Move Laurel to the treasure, then use the Collect block to pick it up.
Okay, so here we have an unlimited amount of blocks we can use again. So you could use many of these blocks, the move forward blocks, or you can use the repeat. So let's count how many times she needs to move forward. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we could say move forward 4 times and then collect. Let's see. Or instead of using all those blocks, we could throw it out. Let's reset her. We want her to move forward 4 times and then do what? Right, collect. So let's see. Oh dear. What happened? Do you guys see where I have a bug? Let's try this. There we go. So you guys have to watch where you place the the blocks because it will mess up your algorithm and you will be stuck.
Sequence matters. The blocks you need are already in the workspace, but not connected. Order these blocks to collect the treasure and solve the puzzle.
Okay, so right now these are all out of order. Now, what if we just snap exactly what they have in order together in here? Nope, not quite. So let's figure it out. She needs to go where? Right, down or south. So she needs to go down 1 and 2 times. Move forward twice, Laurel. So now she's here. Where's she going to go now? To the left or to the right? Right, she has to turn to the left. But she can't collect yet because she's only turning. Let's run it right now and see. See, so there she is. So now we need to use a move forward block. And then what? Right, a collect. Good job, guys. Let's keep going.
Sequence matters. The blocks you need are already in the workspace, but not connected. Put these blocks in order to collect all of the treasure and solve the puzzle.
All right, so once again, these are all out of order and we have to figure it out. So I want you guys to pause me and I want you to play around with this. And it's okay if you can't figure it out. Just practice with your blocks and then we can figure it out together in a few minutes. The most important thing is that you just get familiar with your blocks. Right here, you can only use up to 10 blocks. So keep that in mind while you're snapping all these together. Good luck, and I'll see you in a few minutes. All right, how'd you guys do with that one? Could you figure out the right sequence? Was it too hard, too easy? I have not run mine. This is what I came up with. This is my algorithm, and hopefully it's correct. So according to my algorithm, she's going to move forward, which gets her here. She'll turn right, move forward, collect, turn left, move forward, and collect again. So I'm going to run it, and let's just see if mine is correct. All right, so I did it. I hope you guys were able to do it. If not, you can look at mine and let's continue once you're ready. Okay, these blocks are in the wrong order. Can you fix them? So why don't we hit run and let's just see what happened. Yikes. Okay, so we know it says move forward, which got her here, and then collect. But is there a gem there to collect? Nope. So we know that part is where we messed up. So now what should we do? Here she is, and we want her to move forward 1 and 2 times, right? So drag your 2 forwards together. Now, I want you guys to pause me, and I want you to play with this puzzle. And when you're ready, unpause, and we'll sort it out together. All right, guys, so here's what I came up with. I want her to move forward 2 blocks, which is going to get her here. I expect her to turn right because that's what my block is telling her to do. I'm programming her to do exactly what I say. Then I want her to move forward once and twice and collect, and then once again and collect. So let's run it and see how we did. All right. Let's keep going. Whoops. I don't know what I pushed, but we are moving on.
Help me collect all of the treasure. These blocks are in the wrong order. Reorder them to collect all of the treasure.
So in a lot of these puzzles that we're getting, the algorithms are already there. Our blocks are there. They they have bugs all throughout. So it's our job to find the bugs, fix them, rearrange in our algorithm so that we can accomplish the goal. So I want you to pause me, but first, you guys can use 11 out of 11, so you're not going to be dragging more blocks out. This is important that you use this step by step so you know exactly how to find your bugs. So look, we already just found one bug, a move forward and a turn right. She doesn't need to turn right there. All right, so have fun working on this, and I'll see you guys in a few minutes. Good luck. All right, how'd you guys do? So I only had to rearrange a couple of blocks, and this is what I came up with. Here's my algorithm, and I need to run it to see if I got all the bugs out. So let's hit run and let's see how I did. Oops. Sorry, accidentally hit pause. Good job, guys. I hope that you're having fun doing these puzzles. Okay, here we are, challenge puzzles, and these are usually more difficult, but I know you guys can do it. Just be patient with yourselves and use everything that we've learned to try to get through. And if you can't, that's okay, because we'll work it out together. Just have fun.
Challenge, what is going on here? Even if we put these in the right order, there will still be some missing. Use blocks from the toolbox to collect all of the treasure.
Okay. So we need to drag out more blocks, it sounds like. And we can use up to 16 blocks. And we know right here because it's telling us. So I am going to pause and I want you to play around. And I'll see you guys soon. Okay, guys, how was it? Kind of tricky? So you can see on mine, all these gray blocks are the blocks that they had already drug into the workspace. So the ones I added are in green. And now I'm at 16 out of 16. So did you guys feel like this one was more challenging, or were you guys able to just solve it just like that? I wish we were all together so I can watch your guys' progress as you complete each level. Hopefully soon. All right, so we are going to run it, and we'll do step by step actually, so we can see exactly how it's broken down. Move forward, collect, move forward, collect. You can see right here, each block is exactly what we've programmed her to do. So she won't do anything except what we've told her to. Now she should turn right, move forward, collect. Move forward, turn left, move forward, collect. So the step button really helps break down each little step so you can really find each bug.
Keep up the good work. Help me collect all of the treasure.
All right, here we go. So, I want you guys to pause me. You can only use up to 8 blocks. And this one is more easy. So you guys should be able to complete this one. You want her to move forward, collect, and you get the point. There's your hint. I'll see you guys in a second. All right, guys. So here's what I came up with, and I've used 8 out of 8 blocks. Now it's your guys' turn. I hope you were able to solve this one. Let's hit run, and I hope that all my bugs are gone. All right, we did it. Good job. That one was a lot easier than our challenge puzzle, I felt like. All right, let's get all the treasure, she says. You can use up to 12 blocks. So we can, Actually, I do want you guys to pause me because I want you guys to really practice doing these on your own. And I know I give you the answers afterwards, but I really want you guys to get the basics of coding so that you guys are able to do this on your own. So pause me and I'll see you in a minute. Okay, so how did you guys do? So here I am, and I've used 12 out of 12 blocks. Now, I see a pattern here. Move forward, collect, turn right. Move forward, collect, turn right. Move forward, collect. And they probably could say turn right if there was another gem down here. So it's okay if you did it like this, but I want to show you in a minute with the repeat block. Because that's a lot of blocks that we had to use when we can cut it way down. Okay. All right, guys. So, excuse me. This is what it should look like with a repeat block. Hopefully mine will work. If not, I have some bugs. So right there, it shows I used half the blocks that we even needed just by using a repeat block. Okay, so we can use 1 out of 8 blocks. So what do you guys think we should do? Well, we need her to move forward and collect the gem. Then she needs to turn what way? Left. Move forward. Let's see. Let's step it and see if we're headed on the right track. Okay, so now where should she turn? Left up here or right? Right. Then we want her to move forward and collect the gem, right? So now we're at 8 blocks. So do you guys see a pattern in our algorithm? Move forward, collect, turn left. Move forward, turn right. So it's not a pattern. So now let's run it and see how we did. Good job, guys. So let's keep going. We are almost done. Hey, this is a question. And if you don't know how to read, I'll read it for you, but you
Look
can
at
also
this
click
code
play.
carefully. What do you think will happen when the program runs? Laurel will collect 4 pieces of treasure using this code. Laurel will try to collect treasure where there is not any and it causes an error. Laurel will collect all of the treasure. I don't know.
Okay, so you can actually click any one of these. So according to their algorithm, it says she's going to move forward and collect. There she will turn left and move forward and collect. There she will turn right, move forward and collect. So what do you guys think is going to happen? You can say you don't know. You can say you think she's going to collect all of it. You can say she'll try to collect the treasure where there is not any and it causes an error, or she'll collect 4 pieces of treasure. Right. It's B. That's my guess. Because she can't collect any treasure, which means there is an error in our algorithm. Let's just run it and see. Okay, so I was right. It was B. It's okay if you answered a different one. It just had a bug in our program, and we knew that because we couldn't get the treasure. Okay, so you're almost done. Collect as many pieces of treasure as you can to finish the stage. So here's all of the gems, and we need you guys to collect all of them. So maybe you're going to move forward 3 times, and then west 3 times, and then come up here, and then move east 3 times. This one, you guys can collect however you guys feel fit. You have an unlimited amount of blocks to use. Maybe you're going to move forward and come up north and go over east and come down south and then go over east and go back north. Maybe you'll use a repeat block. So the options for this algorithm are different, which means yours will not look like mine. Yours will not look like your neighbor's if you have a neighbor doing it. This is all up to you guys, however you want to do it. So I hope you guys had fun and good luck with this one, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.